Here's my other, if I were to go send you for a drug test now, what would pop up? It's a rhetorical question. I don't want you to answer, but that's what I'm also thinking about. Me, you're in jail. You've picked up a new case. I've repeatedly asked you to not smoke weed. You've tested positive already once. If I send you for a test now, what's going to happen? I don't know.
All of that before he had to go to jail. Now he sat in jail and can't get out. There's no way for him to get out. He understands that. So I would think that would change his mindset. He's intelligent and he understands, but still 17 years old has to sometimes hit their head to learn and understand what those consequences really feel like.
Living now.
I still my best friend, uncle, Timber Forest. I just started staying there like 2 days before I came to court.
Don't even have a stable home.
Well, the order and the request of the state was to stay away from grandmom and don't go there and don't ever go back. So he hasn't.
Have any other parental figures out there?
I don't really know too much of my family. Yeah, just pretty much I don't know too much of my family. They really don't want nothing to do with me. So I just be alone.
And somebody that purported to be Tristan's mother did reach out to me, but indicated that she could not help or didn't want to help because I asked those questions too. Wasn't
take him in?
No, sir. This was about 2 or 3 weeks ago. So he's truly on his own. And again, the person I've been speaking to purports to live in Georgia and is young himself, can't come here, can't do anything here. So our hope was that he was able to make bond because it is reasonable. It's a reasonable amount of money, but the bond company won't bond him out without.
But even Mr. Brooker, even if you bond out, if you continue to make the bad choices, you're going to end up right back here over and over and over. He's telling me that you want to plead guilty just to get out. I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to let you ruin your life. Because when you end up with these assault convictions, you're all but ruined. Do you think people hire assault convictions? You think you're going to get a job? You think you want to go to school to study this and that? It's all for naught because when you start racking up convictions, life is hard enough as a Black young man in society today as it is. And when you start racking up convictions, it only makes the life more difficult for you. That's hard enough as it is. And you're not getting it through